In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve the Unarc.dll error that reads that an error occurred while unpacking archive corrupted. Unarc.dll returned an error code. Error archive data corrupted, decompression fails. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So what I'd recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in run, best match, should come back with run. Go ahead and open that up. Type in temp into the open field in here and select OK. Select continue if you need permissions to access the temp folder. And then what you want to do is highlight over every file and folder in here, or tap Control A on your keyboard in order to highlight everything. And then right click and select the little trash bin icon to delete, or select the delete key on your keyboard. If certain files cannot be removed, that's fine. Just check mark where it says do this for all current items and select skip. It just means that those temporary files are currently being used by the system and are unable to be deleted at this time. So once you're done with that, you can just close out of here. And then open up the run field again. So go back in the search menu, open up run. Now type in %, temp, and then another %, just like you see it on my screen, and select OK. And now again, highlight and delete everything that's in here. Same way we did it the last time, and then if there's any items that cannot be deleted, just you can skip those items, but should be a pretty straightforward process on that. And then once that is done, you want to go ahead and restart your computer. So there you go, guys. Hopefully I was able to help resolve the problem. And as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.